Good evening. Good evening, everyone. On behalf of our French Thai Art Association, I would like to express our warmest and most sincere to welcome everyone here. Thank you. I would like to say we especially wanted to thank the three levels of Canadian government for their continuous support of multicultural art, the Consul General of the People's Republic of China being here with us tonight, and leaders from over 30 communities, organizations for joining us. French Thai Art Association is stronger, more confident, and more inspired because all of you support us. In Canada, being part of the community carry two important things: voting in election, help others, and contribute to the community. French Thai Art is proud of embody both of these values through arts, culture, and service. There is a Chinese saying, 滴水之恩，当涌泉相报. You're coming here today to support us. Tomorrow, French Thai Art will be there to support you. Thank you again. 谢谢各位今天晚上的到场，我们有30多位的团体到场来支持我们东风彩的晚会。特别在这里利用这个机会，感谢我们的总领事罗卫东，还有国会议员，他们的陆续，等一下大家我们的主持人会这个说出他们的名字，非常感谢，谢谢大家，谢谢。